Namaste, as I am a student of veterinary professional, it's my duty to explain and understand what is the impact of COVID-19 and the lockdown on the poultry sector in India. Because in India, poultry is one of the sector which provided, according to All India Poultry Breeder Association, 1.3 lakh crore to the Indian GDP in annually, and 10 lakh farmer directly employed in the poultry farming, and direct and indirect employment in the sector which related to the poultry farming, like the trading, feed manufacturing and poultry production systems, which is 5 crore, which much more, and we have to know what is the impact. That's unlike other sector which is mainly impacted because of the lockdown, through which the movement restricted of vehicles and industries had been shut down. But poultry industry is impacted by two factors. One is the rumor and another is the lockdown. Because our Indian farmer mainly is illiterate and believe in peoples. In January, rumor has been spread through the social media that COVID-19 is spread through the consumption of meat and chicken and poultry products. It leads to reduce the demand and reduce the price. Because of this rumor, price of poultry product is less than the production. Then farmer started to reduce their production. Farmer is scared about how to sell. After the active campaign through the colleges, professor, ICMR and the ministries said that there is no any evidence which can say that COVID-19 is transmitted through the meat or chicken, because it is not a foodborne disease, it is a respiratory campaign. The situation is near to come previous normal, but just on the 25th March announcement of nationwide lockdown, it's make a very negative impact on the poultry farming, because due to the restriction in the movement of the vehicles, it's break down the supply chain of poultry product, as poultry product is perishable in nature, and reduce the consumption, shutdown of feed manufacturing unit due to hike in the price of the feed of poultry, and it's increase the price of production and reduce the demand. Post lockdown, there is need to government provide the incentives to farmer to build their farming again, to maintain supply chain, and there is need to make a strict rule on social media that no one can spread the rumor like this, because it's bear a much more loss in our sector, in our economy. And most thing, there is need to make a awareness of public and literature of the farmer, that according to All India Poultry Breeder Association, poultry has to bear the 20 to 500 crore loss in poultry sector because of the COVID-19, and poultry sector is continue to impact it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.